Hey guys, you know what sucks? What feels like spending your whole life writing a proposal and then getting a no? Or even worse, getting ghosted and not even hearing anything back.
So stay tuned, because in this very video we're going to be showing you 3 tips to help you increase your conversion rates for your proposals.
Oh yeah, let's do this. I feel like we're gonna smash this one, Pete. Do you feel it in your loins?
Yes, I feel it in my loins.
Hey guys, we are Andrew and Pete, and we love helping small businesses grow and scale their business. And when it comes to making money, how good your proposals are play a huge role in that.
So we're going to help you right now in this video to make your proposals super epic and have the best possible chances of converting at that higher rate so that you can win more business and grow your business. To do that, as well as giving you 3 tips to help you increase your chances of getting that big fat yes, we're also going to give you this fully editable, professionally designed sales proposal template, which is proven to increase your conversion rates absolutely for free.
Oh yeah, it was designed by us and we're professionals.
Yeah, we are. The link to go get this free proposal template is down there in the description, so make sure you go get it. And seriously, if you ever write proposals, send proposals, then you need to go get it, because it's already helping so many people to get new business.
That's right, we get told every single week that somebody has used the proposal and it works. And even better, it's free. Rachel S says, I saved £400 on getting my own version designed. Your proposal template has been heaven sent.
And people have come back to us and said that their client has told them that it was the most beautiful proposal that they had ever received.
So go grab it in the link in the description and save yourself some time, make yourself some more money.
Okay, now into the tips. How are we going to make this epic proposal convert even better? We got 3 tactics for you to try today.
Tactic 1. Time the sending of the proposal beautifully. This is really important. When in the actual sales process does the proposal get sent?
Here's a rule for you. Only send that proposal after the next follow-up meeting has been booked in the diary. Here's why this works. Traditionally, how people do it is they have that initial meeting, they send the proposal, then they wait for a reply forever, and then, if they do reply, then you get in that next meeting and discuss it and close the sale. Doing it that way, you could literally be waiting forever. They might never get back to you. This is the opportunity to just ghost you. They've seen the proposal and they're like, nah. And you don't even have a chance to handle those objections or discuss it with them. So, okay.
It wasn't in the script, but yeah, it was good. Are you done?
Yeah.
Can I do my next bit?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Sure? Wanna ad-lib any more? No? Here's what you do instead, and it all takes place in that first initial meeting. Once you've had that initial chat and it comes to actually writing the proposal and saying goodbye, instead of saying, right, I'm gonna write a proposal and get back to you, instead say something along the lines of this. Role play it, Pete.
Role play. Absolutely spiffing! I'm going to write up that proposal straight away for you. Should we book in a call next week for just 10 minutes or so? Just discuss the next steps. I can't keep this accent.
Alright, okay, Pete, right, as your acting coach, book up, get the job done.
Okay. Shall we book in a quick call next week or so just for 10 minutes to discuss the next steps? It would save so much time for going back and forth on email forever. Ha.
And right there and then, ask them to get out their calendar and book in that call with you.
And we're actually positioning this as a positive thing. We're actually saving them time rather than going back and forth on emails, because nobody wants that. So now we've had that initial meeting, we've got the next one booked in to follow up and discuss, and in between, now we can send that proposal.
If you do it this way, on the next call, they've already seen the price, which takes away any awkwardness about talking about cost. So then you can just focus on handling any objections or answering any questions.
And more importantly, that call is already booked in. You're not getting ghosted anymore. Woohoo! Mission accomplished. High five. Woo! Yeah! Go, girl.
You're just constantly going off script on this one. Okay, tactic 2, the proposal plus video. We actually got this idea from one of our awesome Atomic members, Rob Galvin, who used our template. Now, Rob builds freaking amazing Thinkific course websites and membership websites, and sometimes there's quite a lot that goes into his proposals.
So what Rob started to do is, as well as send the proposal, alongside it is also sent a video version of that proposal, where basically it's really easy, really simple. He uses a tool like Loom to screen record, and he just goes through the proposal and explains it fully to the potential client. This does two things for Rob. Number one, he can add in some more detail and explanation of everything. And two, it allows the potential client to get to know Rob a little bit better and get familiar with him. And this is perfect for if there is a team that wasn't in that initial meeting and they don't know who Rob is yet, and they can all get to know him themselves.
Now, a proposal should never be 100% video. Rob always accompanies the video with the actual written proposal. But adding a video, Rob told us over the first 2 proposals he sent this way, he made an extra $10,000. Plus, the client absolutely loved it. Awesome job, Rob.
Go Rob. High five. Or like a slap in the face. Either way. Tactic 3 is to use a simple to understand breakdown page.
Now, there's going to be 2 types of people who read your proposal. People like Pete, who will read every single word of it like it is a Harry Potter book, uncovering every minute detail to understand exactly to the nth degree exactly what is being pitched to them. It's super annoying. Takes him forever to read them.
Or people like Andrew, who has literally the shortest attention span ever, and long-winded explanations and proposals where they're not super clear what actually is being pitched to us. Make Andrew's face do this.
Is that a good face?
It's not the best face.
My eyes are shut, so I can't see. Pitching to people like me, the breakdown page becomes your friend because it is literally my favorite page in a proposal, and we did include it in the template. Go grab that below. But basically, it's a page that summarizes everything that you've said in the proposal, and if you've pitched multiple packages, as we suggest, then it summarizes what's in each.
This is great for 2 reasons. Firstly, you'll win over people like Andrew here, so he doesn't pull that face. That face.
That face.
And 2, it puts your packages side by side. Now, if you follow the advice in the instructional video that comes alongside the sales proposal template, which you can get below, then it'll make sure that your most expensive package seems like an absolute no-brainer.
If you incorporate 1, 2, or all 3 of these tactics, you will start to see more success. And we'd love to know in the comments which you think is either easiest to do or which one you're gonna try first.
Don't forget to grab the template in the description below if you haven't already.
And whilst you're down there, please feel free to ask any questions and we will answer you personally. And if you've enjoyed this video, we'd absolutely love it if you would just subscribe to our channel.
He's been Andrew, I've been Pete. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.